Ancient civilizations weren't primitive. They built computers with bronze gears, concrete that healed itself, steel with nanotubes. And for centuries, we didn't understand how. These are 5 ancient technologies so advanced, it took modern science centuries to catch up. Not mysteries, just brilliant engineering. And the most advanced one wasn't even supposed to exist. In 1901, divers found a corroded bronze device inside a shipwreck. At first, it looked like nothing. But once scientists examined it, everything changed. It had over 30 interlocking gears, and it could predict astronomical positions decades in advance. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient Greek computer from around 200 BCE. Nothing this complex appeared again for the next 1,400 years. Here's the part that shocked historians. We only understood how it worked after using modern CT scans to see inside. The Pantheon in Rome has stood for nearly 2,000 years. Modern concrete highways? They crack in decades. So why hasn't this collapsed? Roman concrete mixed volcanic ash with seawater. That reaction created crystals that strengthened the structure over time. Self-healing concrete. The formula was lost after the empire collapsed and only rediscovered in 2017. Today, engineers are still trying to copy it. Damascus Steel swords were legendary, sharp enough to slice through rifle barrels, flexible enough to bend without breaking. For centuries, no one knew why. In 2006, scientists analyzed surviving blades. What they found was unbelievable. Carbon nanotubes, structures we didn't officially invent until the 1990s. The reason? Trace elements in Indian iron ore. Accidental nanotechnology. Greek fire was a Byzantine weapon that burned on water. You couldn't put it out. In fact, water made it worse. The formula was lost with the Byzantine Empire. But modern chemists believe it used petroleum, sulfur, and quicklime. Quicklime reacts violently with water, generating heat, igniting the fuel. A weapon so effective, its secret died with its makers. Egyptian mummies have lasted over 3,000 years. How? Natron salt removed all moisture. Antibacterial resins sealed the body. They didn't know about bacteria, but through trial and error across generations, they perfected preservation chemistry. Even today, forensic scientists still study their techniques. These weren't accidents. They were solutions refined over centuries. Ancient people weren't less intelligent. They just worked with different tools. And sometimes, their solutions were better than ours. If this changed how you see ancient history, I've shared a free ebook linked below that breaks down all 5 technologies in more detail, with deeper explanations than in this video. And if you enjoy facts that make you rethink everything you know, subscribe to 5 Facts in 5.